Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, October the 11th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here.
And I am Clayton, I am the VP at Moda Fabrics Studio.
This is a little series where we like to show you the newsletter and go out in person and show you all the content and fabric and everything that's involved with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Because it is Friday, we have our new Friday bundle. Today it is the Pumpkin Season Friday bundle. This is an 8-piece fat quarter bundle, all with your very fall themed prints. So you can expect some prints such as pumpkins, florals, leaves, mushrooms, marble textures, and blenders, all in a wide color of orange, red, green, teal, yellow, and white. Some of the pieces also contain gold accents, so they will highlight and show off a little shine when you get it in the right light. So if you're interested in this fat quarter bundle, make sure to spice up your fall with our Pumpkin Season Friday bundle.
Up next, we have Poppy Dreams from Timeless Treasures. We have the full collection on all the yardage. We have fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, and the angled up kits. With the patterns on this, it's a nice vibrant. We have poppy florals, we have swirls, night sky, stripes, and abstract textures, and a variety of colors, mainly in reds, blues, and purples, but we have some yellow as well. So make your projects pop with Poppy Dreams.
Next up, we have Little Builder from Benartex. With this, we have the full yard collection. We have 36-inch panels, 24-inch block panels, fat quarter bundles, and the fish and chips kit. So if you have any child-inspired projects you're working on, you can go check out this one. Patterns in this one include things such as construction, which includes cranes, dump trucks, cement trucks, buildings. There's also tools, gears, screws and bolts, construction phrases, and a color scheme of blue, green, and white. So make sure to go spark up your imagination with Little Builder.
Up next, we have Farm-tastic Friends by Studio E. We have the full yardage collection. We have 24-inch block panels, 36-inch block panels, and we have Sounds Like Fun kits. Some of these fabrics include barns, cows, pigs, ducks, lots of farm animals, along with some windmills, tractors, and other things you would see on a farm. The colors on this collection range from red, green, blue, and yellow to some pink, browns, and tans. So move on over to our website and check out Farm-tastic Friends.
Next up, we have 50 Years of Moda, which is, of course, from Moda Fabrics. This is a very interesting group. Essentially, what you have is each bolt of fabric along the whole 44-inch wide. You have 4 different prints going along it. So this is like a blender forward group with 4 different prints in each one bolt. We have 11 SKUs of this. This comes from 44 different designers at Moda. The colors in this one include parchment, black and white, gray, indigo, blue, aqua, green, marigold, pink, red, and burgundy. It's a very unique group. So once again, there are 4 different prints on your one bolt across the width of fabric. So if you're interested in this, you can go check it out and sample the best of Moda with 50 Years of Moda.
I have a special deal for everyone. We have our Regatta Quilt Kit on sale right now. Originally, we had it at $117.96, and we currently have it on sale for $79.96. So go ahead and dive into our savings with the Regatta Quilt Kit.
Next up, we have Longshore from Moda Fabrics. With this, we have the full yard collection. We have 36-inch panels, we have patterns, layer cakes, charm packs, and the Pole Star kits. It's a very ocean themed group, so with that, the colors you can get are blue, cream, and tan. And the patterns on this include world maps, boats, lighthouses, ocean life, net textures, stars, dots, and currents. If you're interested in any ocean themed type projects, you can go set sail on an adventure with Longshore from Moda.
Okay, now on to something that I know a lot of people are excited about. We are continuing to add new legit kits to our website, along with restocking old ones that we have sold out previously. If you haven't seen them before, they are beautiful detailed projects printed on foundation paper. The kits themselves are gorgeous. I love them. And they are a great project to work on and very, very detailed. And we are also adding some of these kits with fabrics from the Kona Cotton collections. And so just stay tuned for that. So quilt like a pro with our legit kit patterns.
Next up, we have Spirit Trail Sueded Wovens from Windham. This is a very traditional Southwest design, so if you need any of those type of patterns for your projects, they are 100% woven sueded cotton in colors of black, ivory, tan, red, blue, and yellow. These could be perfect for bags and garments, so if you're interested in these, you can go check them out and saddle up with the Spirit Trail Sueded Wovens.
Now I got another deal for everybody. Make sure you keep checking back on our October bargains. We're updating daily, so keep up to date with that. And this could be remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else, so keep an eye out for our October bargains.
We also wanted to show off this little cool pine tree. This is a fat quarter bundle that we do sell. It is $15.96. This is the pine tree fat quarter stack. So it is literally just a fat quarter bundle that we have folded into a cool little pine tree. It comes in a bag like this, so if you're interested in any of these, you can go check them out. Next up, we have our comment of the week, where we go in to our Facebook, our TikTok, our YouTube, our Instagram, and pick a comment from you. We do pull these comments from our last video, so if you didn't check that out yet, you can go check it out and know what we're talking about here. We did pick out 2 comments once again this week because y'all are killing it with the comments. We thank y'all so much for all the comments. First up, we have a comment from TWYLA, I think that's Twyla2575, and they say, "Hey Mitchell and Justin, really like seeing the fabrics up close, as the online graphics never do them justice. I also enjoy your commentaries. Just wondering, why is the mini iron all alone on its own mini shelf?"
That's a very good question.
That iron, actually, we used to sell them back in the past, but I think that one was a faulty one, and so I took it upon myself to just cut the cord and add it to our little background to make it kind of pop and look better. I do see what you're saying though, it does look very alone. Maybe we can add something else to that shelf with it.
Give him a friend.
We'll give it a friend maybe, we'll see. Next we want to highlight from Lois Casey 1338, who says, "Love you guys, wondering if you sew as well." I have sewn. I don't particularly sew frequently. There is actually a video on our YouTube channel. If you go back, we did a sew along. It was a race to the finish quilt where all the guys here did participate. So you can go check that out and you can see that we all had a hand in sewing.
All right, so I just want to thank everyone for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for all your notifications. And leave a comment because you might be featured in our comment of the week. Make sure to follow us on social media. All of our links are in the description, and we will see you next week.